Displacement equation of a progressive way as a function of x comma t is denoted with y of x comma t is equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus phi. Here a is called amplitude and k is called propagation constant. K is equal to the relation lambda is wavelength. Lambda is represented with letter lambda, this letter. The relation between propagation constant and wavelength lambda is k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Time period formula is t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Frequency is denoted with n or nu. This is called nu. Frequency n is equal formula is 1 by time period. Next one, omega is equal to 2 pi by t. In this function we solve one problem, example problem. If a wave is traveling along a string is described by y of x comma t is equal to 0.005 sin 80.0x minus 3.0 t. This is the displacement equation of a wave, in which the numerical constants are in SI units. What are they? 0.005 meters, 80.0 radian per second, second inverse, and 3.0 radian second inverse. Now calculate, first one is the amplitude of the wave, B wavelength, and C is the period and frequency of the wave. Also calculate the displacement y of the wave at a distance of x is equal to 30.0 centimeters. This centimeters is converted in the SI units, then for centimeters multiply 10 power minus 2 meters, that is displacement is in 3 meters, and time t is equal to 20 seconds. Now first compare the given equation, that is y of x comma t. This equation is compared with y of x comma t is equal to a sin kx minus omega t. Then in a place a value is 0.005. This a is called amplitude. So the answer is amplitude a is equal to 0.005 meters. Next one, it is compared the first equation number 1 x in k place 80.0 value, so k is equal to 80.0 meter inverse, and omega is compared with this equation, omega is equal to 3.0 second minus 1. Here amplitude is this 5 into 10 power minus 3 meters or 5 millimeters, units are is different. Next, second one is to find out the wavelength. For wavelength, the relation between propagation constant and wavelength lambda is equal to 2 pi by k. 2 into pi value is 3.14 by k place 80. By solving this, the answer is wavelength lambda is equal to 0.0785, or this is in centimeters 7.85 centimeters. So wavelength lambda is equal to 7.85 centimeters. Next one is time period. Time period formula is t is equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 into pi value is 3.14 by 3. By solving this problem, the answer is get 2.09 seconds. So time period t is equal to 2.09 units is seconds. Next one, frequency. Frequency definition is the reciprocal of the time period is called frequency. Therefore nu is equal to 1 by time period, that is equal to 1.209 is equal to 0.4784, approximately equal to 0.48. So frequency value is nu is equal to 0.48 hertz. Next one, solve the displacement y of the wave at a distance of x is equal 30 centimeters. So the displacement y at x is equal 30 centimeters and t is equal to 20 centimeters is. In case of x, we place the value 0.3, and in place of time t is equal to, in this equation, in place of x we write the 3 meters, and in place of time we take the 20 seconds. On solving this problem, 24 minus 60, that is equal to minus 36 we will get. For the positive value we take either 2 pi, 4 pi, Likewise, for 12 pi the value is gets sin value gets the positive. ఇక్కడ మనకి పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ రావడం కోసం మనం 12 పై తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ 12 పై ప్లేస్లో ఎంత మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, 3.14 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూ ప్లేస్లో 1.699 అంటే ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్కి వస్తుంది, 97 డిగ్రీస్కి. ఆ 97 డిగ్రీస్ వేస్తే వాల్యూ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ దీని వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది, 0.005 మీటర్స్. దీన్నే మనం మిల్లీమీటర్స్లో మార్చుకుంటే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 మిల్లీమీటర్స్. మనకి ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈక్వేషను ఎట్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 30 సెంటీమీటర్స్ దగ్గర, t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 20 సెకండ్స్ దగ్గర మనం ఇది సాల్వ్ చేసి చేయాలి. సో ఇలాంటి మోడల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ జస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ మాత్రమే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. అలా ఏవి ఇచ్చినా మనం యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు, వేవ్ లెంత్, టైం పీరియడ్, ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, నెక్స్ట్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా నోట్ చేసేయండి.